Hey guys, it's Mick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. iOS 26.1 officially dropped today for everyone, and yes, this is the final public version, not the RC build. Now, I know what you're thinking. Should I update? Honestly, just do it. This one's totally worth it. Besides the liquid glass visual upgrade, Apple actually made some big improvements to battery performance. Users are reporting that even with battery health down to 75%, their iPhones last noticeably longer than before. That's huge, especially for older devices that were struggling with battery drain on iOS 26. Oh, and by the way, I'll also talk about the newly released iOS 26.2 beta update at the end of this video. So if you're curious about what's new, make sure to stick around. So, here's how you can update safely and quickly. First method, the easiest one. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and tap Update Now under iOS 26.1. Just make sure your phone has enough charge and is connected to Wi-Fi. The whole update usually takes around 30 to 60 minutes. If it gets stuck halfway, go back to iPhone storage, delete the iOS 26.1 file, and re-download it again. But this isn't very friendly for phones with smaller storage. You'll need to free up around 20 GB of space before updating. Second method, using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer with a cable. Open Finder, click on your device from the sidebar, and then hit Check for Update. It'll automatically detect any available updates. But honestly, I don't recommend this method. My iPhone was on iOS 26.1 beta, and Finder mistakenly recognized it as the official version, which made the update fail, and it even got stuck during the process. My favorite method, using ReiBoot. It's a professional iPhone management tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. You can use it to back up your data, upgrade, or even downgrade iOS versions. Here's what you do. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open ReiBoot. Click iOS Upgrade Downgrade, and choose Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the latest iOS versions available, including the iOS 26.1 official build. Select it, then click Download. The firmware will be downloaded directly to your computer and installed on your iPhone. No extra storage needed on your device. The whole process takes about 10 minutes, and it's super stable. I've used this method for every major update. It just works. Once your update is done, check out the new liquid glass style and test your battery life. You'll probably notice your iPhone feels smoother and lasts longer. So yeah, iOS 26.1 is finally here, and in my opinion, it's one of the best updates of the iOS 26 series so far. Go grab it now and let me know how it performs on your device. Oh right, I almost forgot. iOS 26.2 beta was officially released on November 4th. It's not a huge update, mainly adding a few new features and fixing bugs. The build number is 23C5027F, and the biggest change is that you can now adjust the lock screen clock transparency, finally. There's also a new swipe to dismiss alarm feature, and you can now manage or delete websites in the Passwords app that were previously set to not save passwords. The rest are mostly performance improvements and bug fixes. Still, it's definitely worth updating. Apple's really refining iOS 26 bit by bit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS updates. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.